So in the previous lecture, we already done about the various band reject filter, band pass filter, and now third one is the notch filter. So what the notch filter do? It operates on the small regions of the frequency band. So the main purpose of the notch filter is to reject the frequencies in a predefined area about the center of the frequency rectangle. It mainly reject all the frequency bands which are from the center of the frequency rectangle. So we want that, or we elaborate that filters can be zero phase shift, must be the symmetry about the region. So a notch with center as u naught v naught must have a corresponding notch at minus u naught comma v naught. So नोच फिल्टर का मेन पर्पस क्या है कि ये क्या रिमूव करता है, स्मॉलर रीजन्स में जो नॉइज़ है, फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन है, उसे वो रिमूव कर देता है. सो नोच फिल्टर जब हम सेंटर पे बात करते हैं, स्मॉल किसी भी रेक्टेंगुलर इमेज के सेंटर की बात करते हैं, तो उसे सेंटर को हम क्या मान लेते हैं, यू नॉट कॉमा वी नॉट दैट हैव द नोच एट. जब हम वहाँ से उस सेंटर को पॉइंट को फ्रीक्वेंसी को रिमूव कर देंगे, देन क्या बन जाएंगे पॉइंट्स एट माइनस यू नॉट कॉमा माइनस वी नॉट. तो नोच रिजेक्ट फिल्टर्स जो हैं वो ईजिली कंस्ट्रक्ट हो जाते हैं एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हाई पास फिल्टर्स. So those centers have been translated to the center of the notch. So the general formula which is to be used for this process for notch filter HNR u comma b is equal to pi k minus k is equal to 1 to q h k u comma v h minus k minus u comma minus v. ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करा है ऑन द सेंटर पॉइंट when we are moving that frequency band, we are moving from the center point with points are negative. So h k u comma b and h minus k u comma b, यहाँ पर माइनस पॉइंट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करा है, आर द हाई पास फिल्टर. दो सेंटर्स आर एट यू के कॉमा वी के एंड माइनस यू के कॉमा minus vk, and q is the number of nodes here. How many number of nodes are there? So the center at uk comma vk and minus uk comma minus vk are specified with respect to the center of the frequency rectangle that is divided by m number of columns, half of the number of columns and half of the number of rows. So in this way the values are to be calculated. So next we have some of the distance dk u comma v. So these expressions are to be used. dk u comma v is equal to u minus m divided by 2 minus uk par square plus v minus n divided by 2 minus vk square whole under root. So this is the distance factor which is to be used at the center of the image for removing the removing the noise from the center. And if we have the opposite of it, when we are removing the small region from this and moving towards the origin, then we have u minus m divided by 2 plus uk square plus v minus n divided by 2 plus vk square whole under root. So we have the types of the notch filters like the Butterworth notch filter, notch pass filter. So in case of Butterworth notch filter, we have the equation which is to be used, that is pi k minus 1 to 3. 3 value is the notch value. Number of notes are to be used 3, 1 to 3. So expression is 1 divided by 1 plus d naught k divided by dk u comma v whole power 2 power n into 1 divided by 1 plus d naught k divide d minus k u comma b whole power 2 power n. So the constant d naught is the constant for each pair of the node, but it can be different for the different pairs. Clear? So different values pair means the different values of note, number of notes are to be used, number of different values are to be used, this expression will be different. So second type is the notch pass filter, which is h and p u comma v. The expression is simply h 1 minus h and r u comma v. So these are the specific formulas which are to be used for removing the noise from noise by using the frequency domain. When we are using the notch filter, some expressions are to be used जो वैसे ही रहेंगे जैसे कि डी के यू कॉमा वी है. From the center of the point, when we are moving towards the origin, then the points becomes negative, then we have using the this equation. So types are to be used like the Butterworth and the notch pass filter. Expressions are similarly, these are to be used as it is. सो इसका कोई नोमेरिकल नहीं आएगा आपको आपके सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग. आपको सिर्फ ये एक्सप्रेशंस अंडरस्टैंड करने हैं एंड लर्न करने हैं. एंड हम फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन में हमने अभी तक तीन फिल्टर्स को पढ़ा है. तीन फिल्टर्स हैं. बैंड रिजेक्ट फिल्टर, सेकेंड वन इज द बैंड पास filter, and third one is the notch filter. This concept is completed, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the degradation function, estimation of the degradation function, and the homomorphic filtering.